welcome back to 31 Days of Halloween. Today's look is Cleopatra, so let's jump right into it. Starting off, I already did my brows and I kind of concealed the bottom of the brows. I also concealed my eyelids, and going straight into my Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, I'm taking that middle shade and I'm using that as my transition shade, and I'm taking it all the way back into my temple because that's how far my wing is gonna go. Dipping into my BH Cosmetics Take Me to Brazil palette, I'm just going to take this royal blue shade, and just like the first shade, I'm going to put that through my crease and all the way back up into my temple. Really smoke out this color as much as I can. This is just setting up where I'm going to cut my crease and how far my wing is going to go. Next, I do go in with a little bit of a lighter, brighter color because I did feel like that was a little bit too dark, and I just blended in with the royal blue to get more of a color payoff. Now taking my concealer, and I'm just going to quickly cut the crease, and just like the other eyeshadow, I'm going to take that all the way back into my temple and really over exaggerate it. Of course, taking some translucent setting powder. This is the Kat Von D setting powder. I'm just setting my eyelids everywhere I put the concealer. Now taking any gold shimmer, this is Leo from the Kathleen Lights ColourPop Zodiac palette, and I'm just putting that all over my lid and also again taking it all the way back into my temple. Now using this black, I'm going to take a small shader brush, and I'm just going to really define where I cut my crease really quickly. Just be very careful because black can get dark really fast. Just make sure that when you're applying it, you take your time and really blend it out. If you don't feel comfortable, don't do it because it's not a make or break in this look. Next, I'm taking some Duo Lash Glue, and I'm putting that all over my lid. And now I'm going in with some Craft Gold Glitter. This is from Michaels. And I found that this sticks really well with the Duo Lash Glue. So I just finished putting that on my lid. Then I went in with my Kat Von D Tattoo Liner. And this is where I messed up, you guys. I should have put the glitter on after I did the liner because putting the liner on was so hard, especially when it got to my lid and into my inner corner. So if I were you, I would put on the liner first and then the glitter. Now just taking a few pumps of my NARS foundation, I'm just putting that all over my face as per usual, and I am dragging it down my neck just to make sure that everything's blended and everything is full coverage. Obviously you can use any foundation you want. I just opted for this one because it was what was in front of me. I honestly don't even like this foundation, but it works. Now taking my Born This Way concealer, I am just putting that at all the high points on my face, my under eyes, my cupid's bow, nose, and forehead, and my chin. And I'm just blending that in with a Real Techniques sponge. So I'm basically just highlighting and concealing as one normally would. I want to make sure everything is very full coverage. Now I'm going in with a translucent powder. This is the Kat Von D Lock-It Translucent Powder. I'm using my Real Techniques beauty sponge to really press the powder into the most important spots. Then I'm taking this big Equal Tools kabuki brush and pressing the powder in the rest of my face. Now dipping back into my Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, I am taking the two darkest contour shades, and I'm really going super heavy with the contour. With Halloween, you can get away with a super dark contour and nobody's gonna say nothing, so you know me, getting rid of that double chin is #1 priority. Taking whatever's left over, and I'm just slimming out my nose, and I also go into my forehead, but I didn't need to do this because my wig had bangs and I forgot. Chiseling out my cheeks. Now it does look a little muddy, but that's okay. We're going heavy for Halloween. Nobody can tell you nothing, girl. Do you. Chisel out them cheeks. For an extra bronze, I'm taking the Physicians Formula bronzer, and I'm going in all over my face to have an extra bronze look because your girl can never be too tan. I'm also going to take this bronzer down my neck just to further blend in my contour because it is super heavy. Now going into my ColourPop highlight, and I am just going ham as per usual, putting that on the high points of my face. You guys, this highlighter is so freaking bomb, and it's less than $10. I don't know if they still have it for sale, but this gives me such a wet finishing look. I just, so good. Oh no, wait. I totally forgot that this is going up in October, and it's August right now, so they definitely don't sell it anymore. I am so sorry. Now I'm just grabbing a blue shadow. It's the blue shadow I used on the top, not the dark one, but the brighter color. And I am just taking that, smoking that all the way out under my wing and under my waterline. It does pull a little bit green without the royal blue under it, but I kind of liked it, so I just kept it that way. Next, I'm taking the Ardell Black Gel Liner and I'm just putting that in my waterline, making sure that it is super precise, super dramatic, because eyeliner is basically the star of the show. Now I'm just taking this Equal Tools Small Definer brush and I'm just smudging that eyeliner, smoking it out, and making sure that it is seamless and it connects with the top wing as best as possible. So I decided to take my Fenty Beauty highlighter in the shade Trophy Wife simply because I feel like I never use it and this would be the perfect look to use it, and I know I'd kick myself in the ass if I didn't. So I added this on for an even more gold effect. Now just taking this metallic liquid lipstick. This is Kylie Cosmetics in the shade King, and I am just putting that on my lips. Honestly, I was gonna throw this lipstick out a few months ago along with Trophy Wife the highlighter, but I couldn't bring myself to do it because I was like, what if I need this one day? What if I do a look like avant-garde or something? And it really came in handy, both of them, so I'm glad that I kept them, but I never use them ever. And now just to spice it up even more, I am taking the shade Leo. It's a gold shimmer from the Kathleen Lights and ColourPop collab. I'm just putting this on the center of my lips and really building it up till I've reached my perfect lip combo. And guys, that is it for today's look. I added some jewels on my shoulder. I put on my wig, put some gold on my fingertips, put on a necklace and my little headpiece. And that is it for today's tutorial. I hope that you guys liked it. If you did, please like this video down below and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Bye!